Alright, still May 22nd, 3:40 in the afternoon, just right after I took all that video on the other one, and we got, quarter-size hail coming down pretty hard. This is out my front window in my bedroom of my apartment. Yeah, you can see the hail there bouncing. Holy shit! Wow! That's about bouncy ball size hail. We do have a tornado somewhere around us to admit all of this. And if my calculations were right, when I first said to my mother about 3 weeks ago, we will see about 2 to 3 tornadoes in and around the Lehigh Valley, Northampton area. One, I'm sure, or two has sparked up along with this storm. I will find out shortly enough where it is. I'm going to just keep recording for as long as I can.